Hey, it's such a nice day, isn't it?
Yeah, the weather is perfect. I love coming to the park when it's sunny like this.
Me too. Do you come here often?
Not really, but I should. It's so peaceful here. What about you?
I come here almost every weekend. I like to read or just relax under the trees.
That sounds nice. What kind of books do you read?
Mostly fiction. I love stories that take me to another world.
I do like reading, but I don't get much time these days. I've been so busy with work.
Oh, what do you do for work?
I'm a graphic designer. It's fun, but it can be stressful sometimes. What about you?
I'm a student. I'm studying computer science. It's challenging, but I enjoy it.
That's cool. Do you have any hobbies outside of studying?
Yeah, I love playing basketball. I play with my friends every Friday.
Do you play any sports, John?
Not really, but I like yoga. It helps me relax after a long day.
That's awesome. I've always wanted to try yoga, but I'm not very flexible.
You don't have to be flexible to start. You should give it a try.
Maybe I will. So, what do you like to do for fun?
I love traveling. I try to visit a new place every year. Last year I went to Thailand.
Wow, that sounds amazing. What was your favorite part of the trip?
Definitely the food. Thai food is so delicious.
Have you ever been there?
No, but it's on my bucket list. I've only traveled within the country so far.
Where have you been in the country?
I've been to New York, California, and Florida. I really like California. The beaches are amazing.
I've never been to California, but I'd love to go. Maybe we should plan a trip together someday.
That would be fun. I'd be up for it.